Hyenas have one of the worst reputations in the animal kingdom. Cowardly scavengers, the punchline of the savannah, an animal defined by what it steals rather than what it earns. Almost none of that is true. Spotted hyenas hunt down the majority of their own food, and in several long-term field studies, they've been documented outperforming primates on cooperative problem-solving tasks. The reputation is wrong. The reality is a lot more interesting. Start with the hunting itself, since this is where the popular image falls apart fastest. Research tracking spotted hyena clans across the Serengeti and other regions found that hyenas kill somewhere between 60 and 95% of their own food, depending on the location and season. Lions, by contrast, are the ones frequently documented stealing kills from hyenas rather than the other way around, the exact reverse of what most nature documentaries and cartoons suggest. A hyena clan working together can bring down prey as large as adult wildebeest and zebra, using coordinated pack tactics that require real communication and role division among clan members. That coordination points to something researchers have spent decades studying more closely: spotted hyena social intelligence. Hyena clans operate under a strict, complex hierarchy led by females, with individual hyenas capable of tracking their own rank, the rank of dozens of other clan members, and the shifting alliances between them all at once. Biologist Kay Holekamp, who has studied wild hyena populations for over 3 decades, has documented hyenas recognizing individual clan members by voice alone, recalling social relationships after long separations, and adjusting their own behavior based on who else is present. A level of social tracking that requires genuine memory and reasoning rather than simple instinct. The clearest evidence, though, comes from a study most people have never heard of. Researchers presented spotted hyenas with a cooperative problem-solving box, a puzzle that could only be opened if 2 or more hyenas pulled on separate ropes at the same time. The hyenas didn't just eventually stumble into the solution. They watched each other, adjusted their timing, and in several documented trials, solved the cooperative task faster and more consistently than chimpanzees given the exact same puzzle in comparable studies. That result surprised a lot of researchers, since chimpanzees are usually treated as one of the benchmarks for animal cooperative intelligence, and a hyena, an animal most people associate with scavenging and cackling, matched or beat that benchmark under controlled conditions. Their vocal communication backs this up further. Spotted hyenas produce a distinctive whooping call that can travel over 3 miles across open terrain. And researchers have found that individual hyenas have distinct enough vocal signatures that clan members can identify exactly who is calling from that distance without visual confirmation. Different call types carry different specific information: a food discovery, a territorial dispute, a call for reinforcement during a conflict, functioning as something closer to a structured signaling system than random noise. None of this means hyenas are gentle or friendly animals. Clan conflicts can be brutal, dominant struggles are constant, and their reputation for opportunism in genuinely desperate situations isn't entirely undeserved. But the caricature of the hyena as a cowardly, mindless scavenger, content to clean up after braver predators, simply doesn't match what field research has documented again and again. These are animals with structured societies, individual recognition, long-term memory for social relationships, and problem-solving ability that has, under scientific testing, outperformed one of the animal kingdom's most celebrated thinkers. So the next time you hear a hyena's laugh-like call echoing across the savannah, remember that behind that reputation is an animal running a coordinated hunt, tracking a social hierarchy more complex than most people realize, and quite possibly solving a problem faster than a chimpanzee would. What surprised you more, the hunting statistics or the puzzle-solving research? Drop it in the comments and subscribe to NatureCrest for more deep dives into the animal kingdom's most misunderstood creatures.